Hello again. Today we are going to do the homework of chapter 1 in New Headway. First of all, I hope you did the homework. So now we're going to start doing it together. The first one, let's listen.
Unit 1, Exercise 1.
1. Hello, I'm Adam. 2.
Hello, my name's Bonnie.
3. Hello, my name's Chris.
That's great. It's very easy. I hope you did really well. Now let's go to exercise 2 and do it together.
Unit 1, Exercise 2.
1. I'm Alex. What's your name?
Belle.
2.
My name's Kate. What's your name?
Charlie. 3. I'm Harry. What's your name? My name's Alfie.
Great, so this is the first page. Now let's go to the second page. Also, let's do it together. It talks about is and nice to meet you.
Unit 1, Exercise 3.
1.
Carl, this is Liliana Moretti.
Hello, Liliana. My name's Carl Eriksson.
Hello, Carl. Nice to meet you.
2.
Ruby, this is Hussein Malouf.
Hello, Hussein. Nice to meet you.
And you?
3.
Liliana, this is Ruby. Ruby, this is Liliana.
Hello, Ruby. I'm Liliana Moretti.
Hello, I'm Ruby Harrison.
Nice to meet you.
And you?
I believe that it was very easy, so now let's do the last one. Number 4. Are these first names or surnames? Let's see the answers. So these are the answers. Let's go to the next exercise. How are you? Put the words in order to make conversations. Okay, let's listen.
Unit 1, Exercise 5.
1.
Hi, Ben. How are you?
Fine, thanks, Ella. And you?
I'm okay, thank you.
2.
Hello, Michael. How are you?
I'm very well, thanks. And you?
3.
Hi, Alice. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, Robert. How are you?
Very well, thank you.
Great. Let's move to the next page. What's this in English? So let's have a look at the words here. Number 1 is the computer, 2 is a television, 3 is a photograph, 4 is a camera, 5 is a hamburger, 6 is a bus, 7 is a house, 8 is a book, 8 is also a book, 9 is a car, 10 is a phone, 11 is a sandwich. Now the numbers. Let's have a look at the answers. 2, 7, 10, 9, 4, 6, 3, 1, 8, and 5. Great, let's go to this exercise. You have to write the numbers you hear. We're going to listen and write the numbers on your notebook. Let's listen.
Unit 1, Exercise 8.
4. 8. 1. 9. 3. 5. 10. 2. 7. 6.
Okay, great. Now exercise 9, plural nouns. Write what you see in the pictures. So number 1 we see 2 taxis, 2 we see 5 hotels, 1 hospital, 3 buses, 4 pizzas, 7 teachers, 10 students, 8 coffees, or you can say cups of coffee, 6 restaurants, and 9 footballs. Great. Now let's listen and write the words in the chart. Okay? It's exercise 10. We have a number of words: restaurants, buses, taxis, sandwiches, houses, teachers, photographs, hotels, footballs, hospitals, coffees, pizzas, and students. Let's
Unit
listen.
1, Exercise 10.
S. Restaurants. Students. Photographs. Z. Hotels. Taxis. Footballs. Hospitals. Pizzas. Coffees. Teachers. Is. Buses. Sandwiches. Houses.
Great. That's great. Let's see the answers. Of course, because S, restaurants, students, photographs, we pronounce it as S. Z, hotels, taxis, footballs, hospitals, coffees, pizzas, teachers, is like buses, sandwiches, and houses. Okay. Let's go to the next page, Everyday English. Okay, so let's listen to the conversations.
Unit 1, Exercise 11.
1,
Good morning. Good morning.
2,
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
3,
Good night.
Good,
Good
night.
night.
4,
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Fine. Hopefully you did it right. Let's move to the next exercise. This is important.
Unit 1, Exercise 12.
1,
What a lovely day today.
It is, isn't it?
2,
Bye. See you later.
Yes, after school.
3,
Have a nice day.
And you.
4,
A cup of tea, please.
Certainly.
5,
Bye. See you tomorrow.
Bye.
6,
Sleep well.
Good night.
Great. Let's move to the next one. Don't forget the grammar one. Hopefully you did it right. 14. Hopefully you don't have any problems. 15. Hopefully correct. 16. Great. And finally 17. I am Peter. What's your name? My name's Anna. What's this in English? It's a computer. How are you, Mika? I'm fine, thank you. That's all about chapter 1 in Workbook. See you next time.